Hi, and welcome to the Jelvix channel. Today's topic is one of the most hotly disputed questions. Which model is more efficient, staff augmentation or outsourcing? Determined to settle this question once and for all, we carried out a large-scale simulation of two similar projects, each executed with a different model. We'll analyze key differences at each stage of the project and deliver our verdict. So be sure to watch until the end. We are Jelvix, a software development partner for industry leaders. We post weekly videos on tech in 5 minutes. Don't forget to subscribe. So let's get rolling. Introducing our projects in the spotlight. Designing web applications to revolutionize the client's online shopping experiences through extra features like personalization, interactive elements, and AI-powered search. And while the core mission and project requirements were similar, these two clients had different visions of project execution due to their business resources and needs. The first client already had some in-house development experts in place and wanted to closely involve a product manager in the project. However, they sought to enhance their team with additional skills or resources, including specialized knowledge in AI implementation. So this approach would allow the client to maintain full control over the project's direction while benefiting from the expertise and collaboration of external contributors. Therefore, team augmentation was chosen for this case. Understanding that incorporating external contributors into the existing team requires additional time and effort, the client was ready to allocate resources for onboarding, training, and aligning the new members with the project's objectives and workflows. Let's quickly zoom in on our other project case. This client did not have available resources in-house and preferred to leverage their specialized expertise while focusing on strategic aspects of business development and growth. Despite relinquishing direct control, the client felt comfortable with overseeing the project's progress, ensuring alignment with objectives, and occasionally providing feedback to optimize outcomes. The client knew that delegating the project to outsourcing ensured leveraging partners' expertise to integrate best industry practices, avoid potential bottlenecks, and inject fresh perspectives and innovation from their wide-ranging experience. He was also looking for ways to cut project costs. The outsourcing model could efficiently meet this demand by minimizing overhead costs, scaling resources according to project demands, and leveraging skilled experts from a global talent pool in regions with lower project costs, all while working independently within the estimated timeline. So, having analyzed the project's background and needs, let's move on to their execution. The first and foremost step is planning and requirements gathering, which was handled differently by outsourced and augmented teams. Having an in-depth understanding of internal processes and business goals, the augmented team was able to hit the ground running. Meanwhile, the outsourced team kicked off the project with detailed briefings and extensive Q&A sessions to align their project vision and bridge any knowledge gaps before the actual development. Moving to the development stage, the outsourcing team operated more independently, necessitating well-defined project management and regular updates to stay aligned with the client's expectations. To ensure the team remained on the right track, a series of milestones and checks were established and performed, from progress reviews, detailed status reports, to video conferences. This structured approach helped maintain clarity and focus on the project's goals. The team was also innovative and proactive throughout the process, bringing some new ideas to the table that were implemented. And when it came to managing time zone differences and asynchronous communication, the outsourced team, as a truly seasoned tech partner, handled it efficiently and was able to deliver on time. Meanwhile, the augmented team kicked off the project following the company's existing framework. At the onset, integrating new team members into the existing team caused some friction due to differences in working styles and methodologies. However, this was quickly resolved thanks to the project manager's oversight and efficiency. And another challenge they faced during the stage was the flexibility of resources. At some point, the project scope was redesigned and expanded. To meet the desired project deadline, the team necessitated additional resources, which posed a challenge and eventually caused the project delay. When the development part was done, both teams moved on to rigorous testing. At this stage, the in-house team faced resource constraints due to their limited resources and the heavy workload of their QA specialist. Besides, the in-house QA expert relied heavily on internal resources, including infrastructure, tools, and support systems, which were somewhat limited. Contrary to that, the outsourced team had its own set of testing tools and software licenses, ensuring access to specialized next-gen technologies and expertise. However, due to the nature of communication with the client, their feedback loops were comparatively longer. As the major bugs were spotted and fixed, it was time for deployment. The in-house team's familiarity with internal systems and deployment processes played a pivotal role in ensuring the seamless delivery and deployment of projects. And as for the outsourced team, despite their initial unfamiliarity with the client's internal systems landscape, close synchronization with the client enabled them to navigate this challenge effectively and deploy efficiently as well. Zooming out on the project deliverables and results, the team augmentation project incurred a significantly higher expense compared to the outsourcing project. As mentioned before, it also experienced a project delay due to resource scarcity and the inability to scale the team up. Despite this, the company was satisfied with the final results, mentioning team alignment with the company's long-term vision was crucial for them. Ultimately, the choice depends on a careful evaluation of these factors and alignment with the organization's specific needs, goals, and restraints, from cost efficiency to scalability needs, access to expertise, etc., etc. We hope you liked this video. But wait, there's more. Discover what is Dedicated Development Team in our next video. Which topic should we talk about next? Leave a comment with your suggestion. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell button.